Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn 0 Robux into 70,000 on Roblox, or how you can get free Robux. So if you are starting with 0 Robux and want to reach a 70,000 plus Robux, there are real legit ways to do it. No scam, no generators, and no hacks. So the first one that you can do is just create and sell game passes, and this is a free method. Even if you don't own a game, you can create a game pass and sell it for Robux. So what you need to do is just go to the create page on Roblox, and then you can just select my creations experiences and choose a game. For example, you can choose dress to impress, let's say, and after that you can just create a pass, upload an image, name it, and click preview and verify. And you can just set a price, for example 50 Robux per pass. You can share it with friends or join please donate to get donations. And second one, you can make a Roblox game and monetize it. So if you have a basic scripting or building skill, you can make Roblox game that can generate thousands of Robux over time. So you can create game passes and developer products, features, premium features, VIP areas, and boosts. You can also create Robux ads and sponsored games. It will attract more players. And premium payouts. You can earn Robux when premium users play your game. And the third one, you can also sell clothings. So designing and selling shirt, pants, and t-shirt is a great way to stack Robux. So you can just go to the Roblox avatar shop and then just create or click on create. You can upload your shirt, pants on or t-shirt design and set a price from 5 to 100 Robux and promote it. You can share it in Roblox groups or on social media for more buyers. And next, you can also join Roblox affiliate and referral programs, because Roblox pay you Robux when someone buy items through your referral links. So you can just go to the Roblox catalog, find an item or game. Let's say this one, and then after that you can just click on share and get Robux. Okay, you can just tap on the three dots icon and then click on share in here. For example, you can share on Discord, TikTok, YouTube, or groups, and you can earn a percentage of Robux from every purchase. You can also try to sell GFX, thumbnails, and logos. So if you are good at editing or designing, you can sell YouTube thumbnails for Roblox creators, game logos and icons, or GFX and 3D avatars. You can sell it to Twitter or Discord server. And you can also work as a Roblox developer. You can work for other developers and get paid in Robux. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.